There are a few things you can do throughout the year to keep your heating and cooling system running its best, like changing the filter and keeping the condenser clean. But some things are better left to the pros. I'm here with Chris Davis from Perdido Heating and Air, and a lot of people wonder how often they need to have their heating and cooling system serviced. Well, Chris, what do you recommend?
We generally recommend twice a year, once in the spring right before you turn the air conditioner on, and then once in the fall right before you turn the heater on.
Now, what all will you be doing when you're doing this professional servicing? What all's involved?
Most contractors provide a 20 or 30 point inspection, and it includes checking your coils and then checking the refrigerant and electrical circuits as well.
Now, everybody's got good intentions and they know they need to do this twice a year. What if they don't? What can happen?
Your utility costs can be much higher, and then obviously downtime and repair costs can be increased.
Yeah, well, nobody wants that. These service visits aren't expensive, about $75 to $100 in most places, and many companies offer annual service plans that make it even more affordable. Either way, it's a heck of a lot cheaper than repairing or replacing a worn-out system, so don't forget to get your system inspected and cleaned by a professional. You'll be glad you did.